Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new, welcome to our foodie world where we bring you the simplest homemade recipe. To our returning subscribers, thank you for your love and support. Today we are going to be unboxing Bareskinn Portable Blender. This video is not sponsored. The blender was a gift, but then I just decided to unbox it here and then share with you guys a simple smoothie recipe. Stay tuned and let's get right into the video. The blender comes in this lovely package and it's very easy to carry and not too heavy as well. It also has the blender is 350 ml. It has a wireless charging, it's waterproof and rechargeable battery as well. So yeah, this is the box. So when you open the box, you find the wireless charging pad, the blender, and then the manual. So let me quickly put the box aside and then we'll move on. Finally, the big reveal. So this is how our portable blender looks like. It has a handle that makes it easy to carry. The size is just like a water bottle, and then it has the power button under it, and then those three gold dots is where the wireless pad like sits, and you can open it from the top as a bottle, and then you can open it from beneath as well. So this is how our wireless charger looks like. You can either charge the blender with a laptop, power bank, or you plug it directly in a switch, but it doesn't come with an adapter, so you can just use your own adapter and then use it to charge it. According to the instructions, you charge it for at least 2 hours before you use. So I'm going to be charging it now and then also wash the bottle and prep my ingredients for the smoothie while it charges. And when it's charging, this is how it looks like. There's a light that blinks, and then when it's done charging, the light goes off. So in the manual, the founder's favorite recipe is in there, so we are going to be trying that one. It says we need 6 strawberries, 1 frozen fresh banana, almond milk and water, and then a pinch of nutmeg, and then honey and ice cubes. So I didn't add water, I just used almond milk, and then I used frozen berries instead of fresh berries, and then fresh banana instead of frozen banana. But then I got all the ingredients, so we move. As always, all ingredients used in this recipe plus the exact quantity would be linked in the description box below, so do check it out. The instruction in the manual says milk first, your ice cubes, and then you add your fruits. So I'm going according to the instruction in the manual. So for the blender to work, you just press the power button twice and then it starts blending, and once it's done blending it will stop by itself. This took less than a minute to blend. It's convenient, very easy to operate. The jug is not easily breakable and it's not heavy as well, so you can carry it wherever you go. And when you charge the battery full, it will take you up to 10 smoothie blends before the battery runs down. So I think it's worth the price. If you haven't subscribed yet, please hit the subscribe button and join our family. We would love to have you here. And don't forget to hit the bell notification so you get notified whenever we post new videos. And if you love unboxing videos like this, please comment down below if you love this type of content, and we'll bring you more. Thank you so much for watching, and until we come your way next time, stay safe and enjoy this recipe.